Hi everyone, this is Luke. Today I will show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without black screen. Don't worry, it's super easy. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. Now let's dive in. Right now, as you can see, I'm in Discord. If I try to stream Netflix in voice channel, it won't work. This is standard restriction from Netflix due to copyright protection. It happens automatically, but I will show you how to get around it. Step 1. Change Discord setting. First, open user setting in Discord bottom right corner. Once inside, go to Voice and Video from the menu on the left. Scroll down until you see Hardware Acceleration. It's normally enabled by default, but we need to turn it off. Step 2. Now open Google Chrome. To make this method work, Netflix must stream through Chrome instead of the Netflix app. But there is one more thing to do. Click on three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Scroll down and select Settings. On the left, click on System. Locate the option Use hardware acceleration when available and switch it off. And now restart Google Chrome. And that's all. Now you can stream Netflix on Discord without the black screen. Just keep in mind, always use Google Chrome instead of the Netflix app. When sharing your screen on Discord, make sure to select your Chrome window, not the full screen. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.